Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the November 2024 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the clear set plus dies of the month, cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Now let's dive into our November release, starting with our card kit of the month. This monthly subscription is an unbeatable deal at just $46, featuring a fabulous assortment of amazing products and free domestic shipping. Now let's take a closer look at what's included in the November card kit of the month. This month's kit includes the Peking Animals Clear 6x8 stamp set, 17 coordinating dies, 6 fancy dies, 2 sheets each of pine and cherry cardstock, 2 stencils in argyle and cable knit patterns, 28 white die-cut tags, white hero pearls, and berry hero wax. Let's take a closer look at all these items, starting off with the Peking Animal stamp set. Add a touch of whimsy to your holiday creations with this adorable 6x8 clear stamp set featuring 8 different Peking animals, each brimming with festive charm. With 17 coordinating dies, you can easily cut out each image and sentiment, giving you endless creative possibilities for layering and arrangement. This set includes a curious owl, a fluffy hedgehog, and a gentle deer, as well as a playful kitten, a cheeky squirrel, an enthusiastic puppy, and there's even a clever fox and a sweet little rabbit, all perfect for your holiday and winter cards. The set also includes a bunch of additional images that you can use to accessorize your critters or add a festive touch to your projects. And don't forget the 2 included sentiments, which have coordinating dies as well. Color these adorable critters with your favorite coloring mediums to bring them to life on your holiday cards or gift tags. Or try no-line coloring for a soft, realistic look that will make your cards truly special. The card kit also includes 6 wonderful fancy dies. These dies were designed to complement the critters in the Peking Animals stamp set perfectly. Among these dies are a bracketed rectangle for framing sentiments, along with a gift box, stocking, teacup, and mug, all fantastic for adding charm to holiday cards. When paired with the stamped animals, each die becomes a playful focal point, infusing your seasonal creations with added joy and personality. The kit also includes 4 high-quality cardstock sheets featuring 2 of cherry and 2 of pine, each sheet measuring 5.5 by 8.5, wonderful for creating a variety of holiday projects. Also included are 2 versatile stencils, a classic cable knit design as well as an argyle pattern. These stencils are perfect for creating cozy textured backgrounds for your projects. Next up, we have a pack of 28 white die-cut tags. This pack features 4 unique tag shapes with 7 tags in each design. Wonderful for adding a special touch to gift giving and card making, these tags are versatile and easy to use. The assortment of shapes brings variety to holiday projects, making each tag an ideal accent for personalizing gifts or embellishing handmade cards. And now we're on to our last 2 items included in the kit, the berry hero wax and the white hero pearls. These 2 products are perfect for adding festive shine and texture to your projects. Apply the berry hero wax over the included stencils to create rich, dimensional backgrounds. Additionally, try using the white hero pearls to add beautiful pearlescent details to your designs. Together, these products add elegance and dimension to your creations. Now that we've looked at the entire contents of the November card kit of the month, let's move on to our other subscription options, our monthly minis. Like the card kit of the month, subscribers to any one of our 4 monthly minis enjoys a discounted price, guaranteed availability of the products, as well as free domestic shipping. Starting off with the first monthly mini, the November Fancy Dies of the Month Tilted Christmas Tree. This 5-piece die set includes a cover plate die, which is perfect for crafting a lively and playful holiday scene, complete with scattered presents, festive decorations, and a tilted Christmas tree. Additional dies in the set let you layer on extra holiday details, including ornaments to adorn the tree, a present, and a classic wreath. Customize the die cuts by coloring or ink blending them to build a vibrant, joyful scene, or pair the die cut panel with a patterned or striped background for a bold, modern, silhouetted look. And next up we have the November Clear Set Plus Dies of the Month Naughty Kitties. Introducing a delightful holiday-themed stamp set with coordinating die featuring 5 mischievous cats embarking on a whirlwind of festive mischief. From breaking ornaments and tearing down decorations to playing in gift boxes and getting tangled in Christmas lights, these playful kitties are sure to bring joy to your holiday crafting. The set also includes additional images and whimsical sentiments with matching dies, and I must highlight my favorite, Wreck the Halls and Blame the Dogs. This is a wonderful set for coloring and personalizing the cats to match the recipient's feline companions. In addition, the set also pairs beautifully with the November Fancy Dies of the Month for building a whole scene for your kitties to wreak havoc upon. Next up is the November Cling of the Month Abstract Poinsettia pattern. The 6x6 red rubber cling stamp showcases a beautiful stylized poinsettia design. Create striking backgrounds by simply stamping in colored ink or heat embossing. To highlight the beautiful geometric design, try combining heat embossing with ink blending to create stunning, colorful panels. And our last monthly mini is the November Layering Stencils of the Month, Snowflakes and Holly pattern. This set includes 4 layering stencils, each building upon one another to create a beautiful festive pattern complete with holly berries and delicate snowflakes. Every stencil is clearly labeled and includes registration squares for easy, precise alignment so you can achieve a flawless layered effect every time. Use inks and textured mediums like Hero Wax or Hero Paste for rich dimensional color. Or enhance your designs further with touches of glitter, enamel dots, hero pearls, or white gel pen highlights. Perfect for adding a touch of holiday magic to your craft projects. Now that we've finished looking at all 4 of the monthly minis, let's move on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy. To review, here's all that's included in the November Whole Studio. The entire November card kit of the month, which we covered at the beginning of this video, the November Fancy Die of the month, Tilted Christmas Tree, the November Clear Set Plus Dies of the month, Naughty Kittens, the November Cling of the month, Abstract Poinsettia pattern, and the November Layering Stencils of the month, Snowflakes and Holly pattern. And that completes our closer look at the November card kit of the month, the 4 monthly minis, and the Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find inspiration as well as pick up your November Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. Sign up for your subscription today to guarantee your kit receives special discounts as well as free shipping on your subscriptions. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.